Welcome to Ardrossan Town station. The station is situated in the town of Ardrossan in North Ayrshire, and the station is situated on the Ayrshire coastline, and on this part of the line has trains only running between Glasgow Central and Ardrossan Harbour. But on other bits of the line you can get trains going to Ayr and Largs. So trains in this direction will be going to Ardrossan Harbour, with that being the next stop. And we've got a level crossing there as well, which is an added bonus. And in the other direction we have Glasgow Central, with the next stop being Ardrossan South Beach. So hope you enjoy this video. So that was 38010 and 38006. We are awaiting for the level crossing to go down because there's a train coming. There we are. So this will be a 6-car 380 going from Ardrossan Harbour to Glasgow Central, doing 2F13 I think it is. And that was a horn for the level crossing, so we've got 38006 in the front. And 38010 on the back. And off it goes. And its next stop is Ardrossan South Beach. Here we have a 380 arriving from Glasgow Central going to Ardrossan Harbour, and it's 3801005. Oh, squeaky brakes. goes 380 105 going from Ardrossan to Glasgow Central. And I think this is 1F14. If not 1F13. Well, that is sadly the last train I've got time to film today. I've already filmed at Ardrossan South Beach. Link to that video in the top right hand side of your screen now. And now I'm going to walk over to Ardrossan Harbour station. Link to that video, once it's been uploaded, will be in the top right hand side of your screen now. So thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.